How do professional cookiers or cake decorators make incredible colors pop using quality food coloring? Master Leaks are exactly that. And because they are so good, they're kind of surprising. This is our emerald. Do you think that color looks like emerald? Just watch. 1/4 teaspoon. Out of nowhere, that color turns into a beautiful, vibrant green. And it'll continue to develop and get stronger and stronger and stronger. Since I didn't activate this with a little bit of water, which I'm going to show you with the red rose, I'm going to put this to the side, let it slowly develop. This is the absolute best red in this industry. There's a reason why everybody chooses the red rose over any other red. When this develops, you have never seen a prettier red for Christmas. Taking 1/4 teaspoon, putting it in the center very carefully, I'm going to go ahead and add a few drops of water to allow the color to start the process of activation. Take all those magnificent color crystals that are inside of there and slowly hydrate them. How potent and powerful that red is. But do you know what's more impressive? As this color dries, it will not only intensify, but it will also darken. So make sure you don't go too far dark, because it'll keep going. The colors have developed beautifully. Perfect colors for Christmas.